The worldwide demand for pet parrots means that many continue to be trapped in large numbers to support the trade in these exotic birds. Because parrots live so long and mate for life, trapping them from the wild has a strip mining effect, with virtually no chance for the populations to recover. In the end, what is left are silent and sterile forests. Protecting parrots from this unsustainable trade requires work at many levels, from physically guarding birds' nests right on up through international conventions. The World Parrot Trust works at all levels, encouraging countries to end the exploitation of their native birds and urging rich consumer countries to stop importing exotic parrots. In the heart of Africa, the Trust has helped local partners to stop 2 large shipments of over 1,000 African gray parrots. Once these birds were confiscated, the Trust supported their rehabilitation, treatments for disease, and eventual release back into the wild.
In the past 15 or 20 years, a lot of things have changed with the parrot trade, and several countries which were major exporters previously have stopped exporting, and several countries such as the United States and the countries of the European Union have stopped importing. And so there have been some very dramatic changes in where parrots are coming from and where parrots are going to. In our Fly Free campaign, the World Parrot Trust is now focused on shutting down the remainder of trade in wild birds. We're doing this by helping countries enforce their wildlife laws, by encouraging confiscations of parrots from trade, and whenever possible, by releasing these parrots back into the wild. Please help support our Fly Free campaign so we can achieve our goal of putting an end to this destructive and cruel treatment of wild birds. For good.